Hello everyone. Today I, Lojan, will show the process of producing high-end buffalo leather from the buffalo farm all the way to the finished.
It is this raw beauty, combined with meticulous craftsmanship. The beauty of buffalo leather lies not just in its strength. Creatures comes a material unlike any other. To the craftsman's careful hand, this leather is unmatched. Tended by expert hands,
only healthy, well-rested cattle from trusted farms are selected for premium leather production.
Upon arrival, every animal undergoes mandatory veterinary inspection.
Animals rest in cool, shaded pens with constant access to water. International welfare standards are strictly followed at every step. Designed by animal behavior experts, the pathway encourages natural, stress-free movement.
only when every welfare requirement is met does the transformation into world-class leather begin.
Responsibility first. Premium leather begins with ethical standards.
Only the strongest, thickest hides are chosen, 3 to 5 times tougher than cow leather.
Every scratch, every mark is left untouched. These are not flaws, they are proof of a real life lived.
Layer after layer of natural oils and waxes are worked in by hand.
AI designed the 3D pattern and cut it with a laser to eliminate 100% of errors. The edges are thinly grooved by a modern machine.
Buffalo leather doesn't just last a lifetime, it lasts generations. Stronger than cowhide, heavier in the hand, deeper in soul. From the rice fields of Asia to heirlooms of the world, real buffalo leather, built to outlive you.